Gold pays the bills. Let's check it out today in Trading with Robert. Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with Rivera Trading Group in association with Trade Academy, and we had our very first live session this morning, and it went pretty interesting. I mean, it was news. We had news coming up at 8:30, and so we were cautious about that, right? We did look at a setup. GBPUSD had already broken out. Those are my pairs that I like to trade: GBPUSD and gold. And we took a look at gold, and we took a look at GA by the request of one of the visitors, one of the people that came to the meeting. And when we saw GA had made a high, right? It had been ramping up, and had stopped. We threw a zone on top of that, and we watched it as it struggled up there. And once it closed back inside, we knew we were coming down for a sell. It was a nice little sell for about 40 pips. Gold did a similar thing. Gold was testing the highs, and finally it made that fake out, right? We know that move. I did take it for the upside for about 15 pips or something like that, 15, 16, 17 pips, something like that. But the real move came after it came back into the zone, and we took our fake out strategy to the other side, and we're gonna take a look at it here in just a minute. Hi guys, so this is a chart as I set it up for our viewing folks there on YouTube this morning, and we took notice of how gold had bounced from the bottom and was making its move up, right? But then it created this gorgeous, beautiful evening star, that doji right there on the zone, and we knew that if price closed back inside, we could take it to the downside for significant pips. And so we waited, and the next candle, boom, closed back inside. I believe the 30-minute and the 1 hour, which was the same candle, closed back inside. And that was the point of entry if you wanted to take a sell, right? That would have been the opportunity. Immediately following, price dropped hard, right, for about 40 pips, and then came back up. This is the point at which now I'm considering that it's going to try to break the highs, but the stochastic RSI was already at the very top, as you can see it right there. And so we were cautious and waiting for price movement. As price action continued to progress, I knew that it was going to break to the upside, and so I took a quick buy to the upside on the next candle just before it dropped. You'll see it go up and then go down. Boom, it went up and then it crashed down, okay? So on the 30-minute, let me see if I can get you the 30-minute candle. On the 30-minute, this is what it looks like, right? We got the fake out right there in that big candle, red candle going up. We had it come back inside, and once it closed back inside, same situation as before, time to take it to the downside, okay? So that was just at the time at which I was closing the session around 9:30. I told the team that's my point of entry right there. The stop loss goes on the top of that wick, and we'll take it to the bottom zone. And this is what happened following. Boom, it touches the bottom zone, TP. Welcome back. So even though we had news this morning, we were able to get a couple of, that drop was about 40 pips. The next drop was about 80 pips. The move to the upside the move to the downside from GBPAUD also gave about 40 pips. So the team was able to profit from our morning session. I'll be back tomorrow morning to do another live session with focusing on GBPUSD, GBP pairs, and gold. And it being Friday though, we're gonna also play it cautiously. But still, we're gonna look for opportunities, and if we see our edge, we're gonna take it. Again, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group, and I hope that you guys are finding value from this content. And if so, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you tomorrow morning. God bless you.